Are you preparing for NEET 2026? Then understanding the reservation landscape is crucial. In the next few minutes, let's simplify the complex system that shapes medical admissions in India. The National Eligibility cum Entrance Test for 2026 will be conducted in May by the National Testing Agency. It will be offline with 180 questions totaling 720 marks across physics, chemistry, and biology. This single exam opens the door to over 1 lakh MBBS seats, 28,000 BDS seats, and more than 52,000 Ayush seats across India. Under the 15% All India quota, seats are distributed as follows: 15% for scheduled castes, 7.5% for scheduled tribes, 27% for other backward classes, non-creamy layer only, and 10% for economically weaker sections. Additionally, 5% horizontal reservation is available for persons with disabilities across all categories. 85% of seats in state colleges are reserved for domicile candidates. Each state applies its own reservation percentages reflecting local demographics. For example, Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra reserve nearly 85% of seats for state residents, aligning with their social justice models. Unlike vertical reservations, the 5% quota for persons with disabilities cuts across all groups. It requires a valid disability certificate with conditions ranging from 40 to 80% disability. This ensures inclusivity across general, SC, ST, OBC, and EWS categories. To appear for NEET 2026, candidates must be at least 17 years old by December 31, 2026. There is no upper age limit. Academically, students must complete 10+2 with physics, chemistry, biology or biotechnology and English. Minimum marks are 50% for general, 40% for SC, ST and OBC, and 45% for persons with disabilities. A special quota exists for non-resident Indians, overseas citizens of India, and persons of Indian origin. It comes with higher tuition fees, usually in US dollars, and a separate counseling process. This quota helps students abroad connect back to Indian medical education while supporting institutional sustainability. To claim reservation, documentation is key. This includes valid caste certificates, income and asset certificates for EWS, disability certificates from authorized boards, and domicile proof for state quotas. All documents must be in the prescribed format and issued by competent authorities. Overall, more than 54% of all India quota seats are reserved for SC, ST, OBC, and EWS categories combined. The 5% PWD reservation strengthens inclusivity, and state quotas ensure regional representation in the healthcare workforce. In summary, know your category, prepare documents early, stay updated on both national and state rules, and most importantly, strategically use the benefits available. NEET 2026 is not just an entrance exam, it is a gateway to building an inclusive and representative medical community for India's diverse population.